Hi, my name is Veli Ndaba, the NeuroEngineer. I'm all about transforming minds from a place of mental darkness to mental light. And I am an author of 5 books, of which the latest of them is The Neuroscience of Effective Leadership. This is the book that you need to have. This is the book that is all about how the brain works. This is the book that is all about how you can improve how you do what you do, how to become an effective employee, and how to become an effective leader. Because without you becoming effective, you will just waste so much time because you don't really understand how the brain works. So this book is based around the methodology that is called the Veli Ndaba Neuroengineering Leadership Effect. So this Veli Ndaba Neuroengineering Leadership Effect is based on 3 pillars. The first one being the brain awareness. The first pillar ensures that you understand how the brain works. And then the second pillar is about applying the knowledge that you have about the brain, understanding the chemistry, understanding the mechanics of how the brain works, because most of our stressful situations simply occur because people don't understand how the brain works. And then the third one is, how do you advance that information? How do you improve how the brain works? How do you optimize the brain? Because you cannot optimize something you don't understand how it works. So optimizing the brain, it helps you to deal with issues of stress, and it helps you to deal with issues of anxiety, and it helps you to deal with issues of depression. Now, coming back to this, so this is the hashtag VNNLE. And then in terms of the approach is all about speaking to create awareness. It's all about delivering workshops, which is about skills transfer. This is where I give tools. This is where I share how people can use the tools. And then the third part is coaching. So coaching is about guiding people to implement and to use these tools effectively. Because how often have you been to any training intervention and then after, a few days, you just keep that file away from you, and then that's it. And people just move on, doing other things, but not getting to apply what you've learned. So I have a methodology that helps you and that helps teams get to really understand how things work. Hey, so to learn more about this book, The Neuroscience of Effective Leadership, and to learn more about the Neuro Leaders Toolkit, and to learn more about the methodology where I talk about the neuro talks, the neuro workshops, and the neuro coaching, because you cannot see the picture if you're in a frame. You need someone that's going to help you walk through this journey, and that will be on your side to become more effective. And to learn more about many other products that we offer, please click on the link below, and we'll be able to connect further and advance your cause.